Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain one of the important topic in share market. So most of the people are not aware like what is moving average and exponential moving average. Like normally short form we will say MA and EMA. So I am going to explain on EMA and moving average. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also share to your friends. For any comment and clarifications, you can comment in the inbox. So let us come to the topic. So how to set EMA and moving average to our angel broking application or angel chart. So first thing, let us take example for Apollo Hospital. So just click on Apollo Hospital. Then you can see here the options like chart option is there. The fourth option is chart. So just click on the chart. Then directly you will be leading to the page where you can see the angel chart. So as soon as you click on the chart, you will be getting only the chart with the green and red candles. So most of the people will not be able to understand where to take an entry because the chart will not indicate where to take entry. So for this we have to set some techniques. So based on that techniques, we can take a trade. So I'm going to show you how we are going to set the moving average and EMA. So for setting EMA, just click on here. You can see the symbol like 1 minute. The chart candle, everything you can see. Just click on the F symbol here and you have to type moving average here. So moving average, once you type here, you can see the moving average here. Just select on the moving average. The symbol moving average you have to select. Then the period you can see here. The period you have to change to 9 here. So each person will be setting based on their strategies. So I am selecting here 9 as period and the field as close, and here this will be exponential. That is what I told EMA. So it will be exponential moving average. So you have to select this option. Then the color here you can see the offset is 0 and the color you have to change. You can change the color to any color you can change. So I am giving us a green color and the panel will be auto. Rest of things will be same. So once this is done, you can give us done button. So your exponential moving average is selected. Now what you have to do is you have to select the moving average. So for that again you have to go to your studies. From studies you have to select moving average again one more time. Moving average. So you can see the moving average here. This will be the symbol moving average. So there is no required to make much changes here. Your only thing is that you have to change the period here. You have to change the period to 18. Then the field will be closed and the type will be symbol. This is the symbol moving average. So not required like much changes here. So after that again you have to see the color here. The color is normal red. So not required for any changes. So directly you can go. Then here you can give a done button. So as soon as you click on the done button, you can see both your moving average and EMI is ready now. Now your chart is ready. So this again you can see like for example you can see the chart where it is running, how it is running, and whenever you can see the red line and blue line, these are the trend lines. Okay, so as soon as the blue line is closing the red line and the widely opening, you can see here around 10-20 there is a widely open. Whenever there is a wide open of red and blue lines, you can expect there is some movement will be happen. So based on that you can take trade. See here you can see anywhere the chart you can see whenever there is a wide movement, at least the market is moving at least 5 to 10 points. So based on that you can select your stock. So you can go to my group. This is my group. If anyone interested to join to this group, you can join here. Group link I have given in the description. So you can click the group link and you can join to my group. Here daily I will be updating the free tips. Okay. So here you can see Apollo Hospital even I have given as a buy tips. So you can see Apollo Hospital. Here you can see Apollo Hospital buy above 1340.50 at 940. So you can see at 940. You can come to the chart. can come to the chart and see the timing. Okay, so you can drag, you can drag here. So today is 29th of May. You can see the date here, 29th of May. Here you can see the date. So after that I have given the call on 9:40. You can see here around what time the call is active. So you can go to my call and you can see the call is active. You can see the call is active around here you can see, okay, call is active around 10:18. So you can go to the timing and see. Okay, 10:18 you can see. Okay, here you can see 10:18. 10:18 you can see the blue line is crossing the red line and widely opening. So that is the reason I have taken a buy call. And suddenly you can see it has moved more than 15 points. So immediately it was moved more than 10 to 15 points. So you can book the profit. So this is like this strategy will work around 50 to 60% only it will work out. Most of the time it will work out, but there are like chances of failures also. If you are taking like entry in the wrong time, it can lead to loss also. So this is one of the important technology you can utilize. And you can see like wherever it is widely open, here also you can see around 11:30 also you can see around almost 10 point movements. So whenever there is a wide open and there is a whenever the blue line is overtaking the red line and the candles are above blue line, like you can see, you have to see the candle. Okay, like you can see the green, how the candle is forming. If there's a thick and wide and green candle, then only you can take an entry. Regarding the candle and other things, I will be giving another video, so you can go through the next video. So I'll be updating on my next videos regarding the candles, all those things. So I think this topic is very clear, and you can see my performance also. See what are the calls I have given, and you can see the high was almost 365. So almost from 1340, it was almost 25 points movement you got. So this is like this is technique you can utilize, and you can make aram se you can make profit. I think this topic is very clear. So if anyone interested to open account in Angel Broking, you can contact me for opening account. The link I have given in the description. Okay, you can just click on the description link and you can open the account. Any clarification or anything required, you can contact me. So kindly subscribe my channel and you can share to your friends. For any clarifications or any suggestions, you can give a comment. Thank you for watching.